Hey YouTube, and welcome back. So I've got a couple of days off and I decided I want to get some stuff sorted in this room. So today we're going to be unboxing some things, we're going to be emptying some tanks, moving some fish around, and hopefully over the next couple of days getting the room looking a little bit better. So if something interests you, then please stay tuned. Without further ado, let's crack on with today's video. Hey YouTube, and welcome back. So like I said, in today's video we're going to have quite a busy couple of days, so I'll be making a few videos around what we're going to be up to. So I'll probably switch you around now so I can show you what we're going to be doing and take you along with me. Okay, so since I set this room up, I've been trying to make it look a lot nicer. Obviously we've got the whole room painted now. It used to be a horrible red colour and now we've managed to do it black, which I think looks a lot better. I don't know what you think. Obviously we've got the wood as well, and the wood in the tank there, as well as my desk. We've been working on, over the last couple of weeks, some nanoscapes, so, sorry, excuse the mess, we've been doing a bit of editing. We've managed to get Bruce the beta fish's tank done. We've managed to get this Aquascape set up, which we're just still waiting on fish for that. We've also managed to get hold of, and we've also managed to escape this one, which I did without you, and I'm still undecided whether I'm going to rescape that. Obviously Bert has been doing fine, he's in there as you can see. Hello Bert. And he seems to be doing well. I still want to get his tank on a stand and potentially move it. But this wall here is where we're going to have the most amount of change. Everything else is probably going to stay the same. So to give you an idea what's going to be going on in the future, so I've got two tanks. So I've got this 40 gallon down here, which needs homing, and I've also got this 30 gallon, I think it might be 35 gallon up here. So those eventually are going to be housed in the corner here on a rack, so all along this wall and right up next to the nano stand. I need to make that, so I haven't actually done it yet, but that's something we'll be doing over the next couple of weeks. But this tank here, so this is just a tank with some of my just sort of leftover spare fish from previous projects. So you might see there's a black phantom tetra from my green tree python setup. I've got if it'll focus. You gonna focus? I'm gonna try this side. We've got my female beta fish there. She was from the sorority tank that we had, and I've also got some rummy nose tetras somewhere which they like to hide in the bottom left over as well. So what we're going to do today, we're going to upgrade the Angelfish tank, focus, into the 30 or 35 gallon over there, and we're going to actually put that tank where this spare odd tank is, and we're going to strip this tank down and I'll probably put up the attic for now. I'm not sure what we're going to do with it in the future. So the main reason I wanted to do this was because every time I walk into this room, there's some quite nice setups now. Obviously the fire-belly toads, just need a couple of plants to sort that out. I've got the tank finished in the corner on my desk, and then now the tank's looking good as far as I can see. So as soon as you walk into this room, the first things you see are the tank on the floor with Castro, and what I consider to be quite an ugly angelfish tank. And obviously they need upgrading. So I thought we'd try and make this a bit nicer in the next couple of days. So you might see there, I've got some deliveries that have come. So the big one is a piece of timber that I'm going to use to reinforce Castro's stand, and that's going to be put back on his stand and hopefully sit a bit higher up. As you can see at the moment, it's just the spare 30-35 gallon on the top with a lot of feeders and a cuddly frog. So once we've done that, obviously we're going to also strip this down. I'm going to empty the angelfish tank and put them into their new tank. We're not going to escape the angelfish tank yet because we are going to move it in the future over to the corner, like I said earlier. But the angelfish are going to move into that tank. I'm going to leave the fish out of the spare tank in with the angelfish because they should be fine. I'm probably going to set up something smaller for the female beta fish because I'd imagine she'll probably try and attack the angelfish, and they might even attack her. So we're probably going to put her on the desk for now because I can't face getting rid of the fish. So I think that's enough on what we're going to be doing. I'm going to start with stripping this tank down, emptying it, removing the filter, giving it a bit of a clean, maybe removing the substrate today, and getting the new tank on top. We'll get that filled up and put the angelfish in, and then we will scape this. So this is going to get a completely new scape. I'm probably going to reuse the driftwood that's in there. and create a similar scape to you may have seen in the past in this tank. This is probably going to be over a couple of videos, so I'm not going to go through it all now. But if you're not yet subscribed to this channel and you want to see what's coming up, then please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to make sure you don't miss any future videos. I will be giving sneak peeks and little reveals as well on Instagram and Facebook, as well as Twitter. So I'll leave links in the description as well, so you can go out and check me out on those as well. But I think that's enough of me waffling on for this video. I'm hoping it's not going to go on too long, but let's make a start on stripping this tank down. Okay, so we managed to strip down the 60 litre tank. We managed to get out of the room and add the other tank on. So we've half filled the tank up now. So I'm going to empty most of the water out of this, add it into that tank, and then we'll move the fish. There's quite a lot of reflection on this tank at the moment, but obviously the other light's facing it, but obviously they've got a much bigger footprint now to stay in. So this will be the tank the Angelfish we're going to go into eventually anyway. Like I said, they're going to go on a stand that's going to be in the corner over there, as well as the other tank that's on the floor, which is a 40 gallon. But they're looking like they're settling in a little bit. They lost their coloration a little bit because I've also been a little bit stressed. I've just added some driftwood with it's already got moss attached to it in there just for a bit of hiding space because we had the other fish. There's the female beta fish. She's pretty happy. And the rummy nose are hiding down there. And there should be the placos. Oh, there's the golden nugget under there. You might just see it. There's the phantom tetra. But yeah, they're looking a lot happier in this tank. Fill focus. But this is only going to be temporary, so eventually we will put this on a stand designated for itself. We will scape the tank out as well and put it in his permanent home. So this is just for now. So we're able to actually do something with the 20 gallon. So as you can see, we've managed to get most of the water out, take the hardscape out, take the fish out. So it's going to be a case now of a lot of scrubbing, cleaning and clearing out. And then we'll look to scape this. But I think we've done enough on this video today. So I think we'll leave it there and we'll come back and we'll do this in a separate video. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure that you are. Make sure you come back for the next video when we'll be scaping this tank. We're going to have this as a nano fish community aquarium. So if something interests you, then make sure you stay tuned. But I think that's enough from me for today. And I'll see you next time.